In today's video, I want to show you a very simple typography pairing design idea using fonts that are already available inside Zazzle's font library. Hey, it's Trevor. Over the past few months, Zazzle has been gradually pushing their new design tool interface, and now it looks like they are finally settled on the new version. I'm still relearning it myself, so if you're also adjusting to the new interface, you're definitely not alone. For this tutorial, I'll be using a 20 inches by 20 inches throat pillow to demonstrate this idea, but this same concept can be applied to many other products as well. Let's get started. Once you are inside the design tool, go to Add Text on the left and click on Add a Text box. Now type your first word. For this example, I will type financial. Next, go to the font menu at the top. Inside the font palette, you will notice there are several grouping options such as popular, all fonts, recently used, casual handwriting, decorative and novelty, distressed, international, sans serif, and many more. I definitely recommend taking some time to explore these lists yourself because Zazzle continues to expand their font library over time. For the first font in this pairing, I want something that feels blocky and bold. Under the popular section, I found a font called Superstar M54, so I will select that one. Next, I will adjust the font size. I will try a few numbers here and eventually settle on 280. If you like the font a lot that you would like to reuse it again, you can toggle on the heart icon right next to the font to add it to the favorite list. Now let's add the second pairing text. Go back to Add Text, then click Add a Text box. This time I will type freedom. For the second font, I want something that contrasts with the first one. Since the first font is bold and blocky, this one should be thinner and more script-like. So I'll go to Font, then choose Script and Calligraphy. I've tested a few fonts from the list, and after previewing several options, I decided to use Braden Script Bold. Now I will adjust the font size again. After testing a few numbers, I will settle on 230. Next, I will move the two text elements around the printable area of the throat pillow. The goal here is to position them so that they feel balanced and visually centered. I'll adjust the placement until both words look good together right in the center of the pillow. This is where typography pairing really comes together. Contrast and balance working at the same time. Now let's add a background color. Go to Background on the left panel. For this example, I'll use my channel color. This gives us a strong blue background. Now I will select both text elements by dragging over them. Then go to Text Color at the top menu and change the text color to white. And that's it. A very simple typography pairing design using only built-in fonts. This design idea works really well across many different product types. For example, you can use typography pairing like this on throat pillows, tote bags, t-shirts, phone cases, posters, wall art, notebooks, mugs, stickers, and many more. Typography-only designs are simple to create, beginner-friendly, and can still look very professional when done well. So if you're just getting started on Zazzle, this is definitely a design approach worth trying. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when there are new updates on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.